Welcome back everybody to Crypto Mindset. Today we're looking on ICX on the weekly time frame. We start with the weekly. Now you can see we are forming this red weekly candle. Now if we're gonna close this candle, you can see the body. If the body of this candle is gonna close right here or basically under the wicks right here, this is bearish, people. This is bearish. That means we're gonna go quite lower. We're gonna go lower, in my opinion, maybe to the 22 cents, maybe even to the 20 cents. We don't know for sure. We're gonna look on these scenarios in a bit, but just keep your eye on the weekly candle to see where we close. If we close in where we are or right here, let's say under 31 cent, this is bearish, people, very bearish. Now, right here, we can also have a look where is our support areas. Okay, let's have a look. Now the most bearish outcome, that is probably the most, it will probably not gonna happen, like there is a 5% chance of it happening, that we're gonna go all the way down. This is very, I'm gonna remove this line because I really don't see it happening. All right, now the lowest support area is right here. I think it's this 0.18, all right, where we have here double bottom on the weekly. We got here some really nice support right here, and right here it was a resistance. And when we broke out of this range, we got this huge, big, fat volume candle. That means when we broke that range, that was the breakout. Okay, so basically this is the lowest I think we're gonna go, 0.18. So people, if you have some cash on the side, it's very important to save some cash to buy the dip if we're gonna go that low. Probably not. Now the next area of support, in my opinion, is 22 to 24 cent. Basically my next order where I put another order on Binance is on 0.24, just in case we're gonna go there to scoop some more ICX on the dip. Now let's look on the daily. Let's have a look on the daily to see where maybe we can see something here. Now you can see on the daily we had this huge move. All right, this was the first wave up. Now we're having a wave down, a bigger wave down, that we can look at it as an ABC correction. So if that was the A, that was the B, now we're looking to make the C. Now, was that the low? We don't know. We know after the fact. But in my opinion, I think we're going to go lower. I think we're going to go here or maybe somewhere here. But I don't think we finished correcting here, because also you can see on the daily that this little thing, this little pennant, you can see this little pennant here, the little move down and the little triangle. Okay, you can see this is like a continuation pattern, a bearish pennant that have more likely to break to the downside. So let's see what's going to happen, people. But for sure, what we can say here, that we are more closer to the bottom, to the local bottom, than to the top. Okay, so if you bought higher, don't capitulate, don't rage quit, just buy the dip to minimize the to average down, basically to average down your total bags. All right, so basically, let's, for example, you bought for $1 here and then you buy for 25 cents. All right, the same amount you invest here and the same amount you invest here, that puts you in an average of around 36, 37. Do the math, basically, but it reduced the average cost. So this is very good. Okay, so don't sell it, just buy the dip. All right, now another thing I want you to have a look also is the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame, you can see the EMAs. Okay, the EMAs point a picture of a bearish picture. You can see the 50 cross under the 100, going to cross over the 200 on the 4-hour. You can see we got rejected from the 200. So the EMAs are basically acting as our overhead resistance. Also, the Ichimoku cloud is also acting as an overhead resistance. So basically, we're in a bearish short-term trend, people. I'm still bullish on ICX. I'm bullish on ICX, and I'm gonna buy the dip as long as it's gonna go lower. Now, for me to flip bullish again, what I need to do in the short term, of course, we need to break this descending resistance. Okay, people, we need to break this descending resistance, make a higher high above this area, all right? Make a higher high above this area, close one weekly candle above it. In my opinion, we need two of them just to confirm. Two weekly candles, trade above it, and continue higher. This, in my opinion, will shift my short-term bearish outlook to bullish, all right? But meanwhile, we're looking to trade in this kind of falling channel. We are in this falling channel, all right? We could go all the way down to 22, maybe to 18. We don't know, but still, people, take a deep breath. Don't sell your bags. This is not a financial advice. By the way, tell me, what do you think where we're going to go? We're going to go to 22 cents, 23 cents, 28 cents. Where do you think we're going to go? And please subscribe to the channel, give a like, and leave a comment down below. Have a lovely weekend. Bye-bye.